Welcome to another video which we put out every Monday, so click the notification bell to get notified of every video we put out every Monday. And today we want to talk about a question that might seem like a strange question. It's asking and answering the question, what's the difference between an online business and making money online, and why the difference between these two is actually extremely important. But first, the reason why we thought to answer this question is because me and Rasmus were having a conversation the other day, just talking about how right now, currently, there's kind of this plague going on where everyone has the whole thing backwards. Everyone is almost doing it wrong, and that might be why a lot of people are struggling right now to find success in their online business. And before we get into anything, I want to make the quick disclaimer that we're not making this video and trying to speak as if we're some fucking gurus who know it all and are trying to tell you how to live life and build your businesses and make money online, yada yada. Really what this is we learn, we're very focused on learning, and when we learn things, we just share them on our YouTube channel with you. We don't learn things so that we can just go out and share things and try and teach others and be gurus. We're learning things to apply to ourselves and our own businesses, and we might as well just share these things on YouTube with you along the way because we know a lot of people can benefit from this. So that's all this is. This is just us applying our knowledge to ourselves and just sharing it with you. So if you don't want to hear what we have to say, just click out the video and shut the fuck up. But if you do, that's exactly what this is, sharing what we're learning along the way. And that's why a lot of people appreciate it. So now let's talk about the difference between an online business and making money online. They seem right off the bat as synonyms, the exact same thing.
Yes.
But they're actually like polar opposites.
Yes.
And we're gonna explain why. Now, what people want is to build an online business. We all agree people are trying to build an online business, and they think what that entails is making money online, right? So they are focusing on making money online. They're not focusing on building an online business.
Yes.
An online business is literally just a business that takes place online on the internet. That's what an online business is. So like it's the same as an offline business on the internet. Boom, end of story. But that's not what people are building here. That's what they think they're building. They think they're building online businesses. People that are trying to make money online, they're focusing on marketing, whatever
Sales,
they can to make money, right? Making money, which is like ads, marketing, sales, copywriting, that stuff. Whatever, they're like focused on the last step. The last step, which is closing the deal and getting cash. While what actually makes up the business is all the steps that go in it beforehand. So let's talk about what those main principles are, and the one that we really want to talk about, the number one, biggest one, the thing that makes a freaking business a business, yet the one that everyone they just ignore. It's like it's literally an afterthought. It's a thing that they spend 20% of their time on instead of 80% on their time on. And it's the actual product or service that you're offering. When people are trying to make money online, let's use just right now, the hottest, most popular example is dropshipping. Let's just use that. Right now with dropshipping, what it is you just kind of take a shitty product from China and then you run ads to it, create this awesome website with some awesome sales and some discounts and some crazy copywriting and crazy shit like that. You overprice it and then you put it on the internet, run ads to it, and you make money fast. You make money online. This is like the quickest way to make money right now. But your product sucks. Shipping takes like 3 weeks because you're shipping from China, and all you're worried about is profit margins. You just want the cheapest shit. You can't go to a US manufacturer because that means I'm making less money online. So they decide not to do that. So what this is, in the end, they're just chasing their tails, because when you offer a shitty product with a shitty experience, that being 3 weeks shipping time, no one's ever gonna buy from you again. So that's why these dropshipping stores that people create, they last a month. People can literally make like a few $100,000 in sales in a month, but then it completely dies goes away because no one's gonna buy from you again because you're like being a super shitty business.
Look, drop shipping in and of itself is a fine business, but 99% of people are not running it as an online business. They're running it as a way to make money online.
Yeah, so
because
not
the way
creating
drop
businesses.
shipping really should work in a perfect world is that you're finding a product that's an incredible product, okay? And then you're finding, how can I deliver this as fast as possible, do whatever I can to really make them love the experience of buying this product.
And give it to a group of people who need it the most.
Right, if you give, the typical person that runs a dropshipping store the option, now you can not have to pay for shipping at all, be delivered in 30 days, or you're gonna have to pay $10 per unit, but they get it in 5 days. They're thinking, well, I need better profit margins. Fuck it, let's give it to them in 30 days. I can't afford those $10. I can't afford to pay $10 per unit because then my margins are gone. It is. Your margins are gone, but you're just creating this business that provides no value, and then the experience sucks, and it dies in a month, like you said.
Right. Now, when we look at what the actual first step in creating an online business is, a business that just takes place on the internet, the first step is getting it legally registered, for example. Now, who in dropshipping is registering their businesses? They're not, because they're not actual businesses. It's just ways to make money.
They're not coming in with the mindset of, I'm starting a business. And this also applies with publishing. Now, we'll talk more about how this ties into publishing.
Yeah.
Now, oftentimes, if you, is an example of what I'm talking about, people that live outside the US, UK, Canada, if they want to publish audiobooks at ACX, they have to register an LLC in the US. Okay? And we tell people this, and then they think, no, fuck that. That's a lot of work. And I'm just like, clearly, you're here to make money online. You're not here to start a real online business.
Because that's the first step.
And what, you won't go a few weeks to register a business because
And pay $200 to start a business? It's because they're just trying to make money online, and that's what we mean by people have it completely backwards. People are trying to start online businesses by making money online, and here's what making money online is in the end. Like you said, focusing on the actual making money. Making money is the most important thing. Now, making money is supposed to be a byproduct of delivering your product or service to customers, and they want to give you money for it because it was so damn great for them. So that's what it's supposed to just be a byproduct. But in the end, what make money online becomes is just a series of non-stop short-term tactics. Just short-term. How can I make the most money this week? And that is quite literally, the absolute worst approach to have when you want to build an online business. Now, we've been in the whole online business space for like 3 years now, and a big transition for us this past year especially is making that mental shift from we're trying to make money online, which is kind of what we were doing for the first 2 years, to now in 2019 and going forward for the rest of time, it's about building an online business focused on the business principles that make a business massively profitable and successful for a long time.
Look, I believe every single person that goes into entrepreneurship always will start with the make money online mentality.
And it doesn't make you a bad person.
Always, no matter who you are, that's where they'll start. And then it depends, okay, how long is it going to take until they transition to the online business mindset?
The point of a business is to make money. So you go into business, you're obviously going to try and make money.
That's why there's nothing wrong. Like, it's normal.
Yeah.
Like, you have to go through that, like, those stages.
You can't go into it and understand, okay, every move I make from here has to be calculated and focused on years down the line.
Because you don't know shit.
You don't know
How
shit.
are you supposed to know that?
And in the beginning, you don't have any money. So you can't really be focused on losing money, so that you can make insane amounts of money down the line. You can't really be that way. So in the beginning, you kind of do have to be that way. So basically, that's the way we operate with our course business right now, Audiobook Income Academy. And anyone who's been through the program, I'll say we just redid the course for a third time in 1 year because we are so damn obsessed with creating the best product and customer experience. That's everything. Like, what we offer, you can't compare it to anyone else in the space, and we know that just for a fact. It's not like trying to like brag or anything like that. It's just the way we operate, and it results in a lot more student results for everyone else because that's our main focus. Product for the customer, not just making money. And that's why people in the space will be making a lot more money than us right now. But I'll just say in the future, it'll be flipped around. And that's why you want to have the online business mentality and approach.
Because we could easily right now focus on webinar ads and just fuck the course
And make
let's focus
4
on that
times as much this
right
next
now.
month.
But then all the effects that come with that a year from now, 2 years from now,
Yeah.
that's not sustainable. You can't keep that up.
Yeah.
So we're not thinking about now. We're thinking years down the line.
Yes. So all I'm saying is anyone who's been through our program will say this for themselves. Okay. Now let's transition into the last part of this video, is talking about this with publishing. Now when we first got started in this whole online business thing, we got started with publishing, and for a long time, almost the whole time the whole time we were publishing full time, where it was our only thing, we had the make money online mentality. And when we made our course, that's also what we helped teach other people, make money online. But now the shift that we made in our course as well for the remake for a third time is fuck this make money online stuff. We're going to show you how to build a real online publishing business.
Yeah, we're not showing you how to make money online with publishing. We're showing you how to build an online publishing business.
Yes.
The make money online mentality is, I believe, just as bad in publishing as it is in drop shipping online courses.
Sure.
I think it's just as bad. Like I said, we were there, and what so many people are focusing on, because they're impatient, they don't have the money right now to invest more in their books. That is to create books fast, fuck the proofreading, fuck the quality, give it to me now, just publish it, and give me some goddamn money.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to make money next month.
And
okay?
it works.
Look,
that's the thing.
Yeah, it works for next month.
Exactly.
It works for next month also, next one after. A year from now, it does not.
It works in the now.
Yeah.
But that shit is dying off, and that's why a lot of people find themselves chasing their tails, trying to reach like $10,000 a month, or they reach $10,000 a month. The only way to maintain it is to keep on working the same way they have for the past year. Then they'll just maintain it, because everything they put in is just replacing what's dying off.
Yes.
Because that's fucking loud.
Yeah.
Because they're just trying to make money online right now with this whole mentality we've been talking about. And it's just what this whole video is to tell you to make that shift. Now, which one you decide to do is up to you, but what I can guarantee is when at some point you will learn that the online business approach is the right way if you want to make millions upon millions of dollars from a business versus the make money online approach. And whenever you learn it, you would just come back to this video and be like, God damn those Mickelson twins, they were right.
They were right.
I wish I'd listened to them 3 years ago, but hey, at least I know now in the
Yeah.
future. So our advice would simply be to like embrace this belief right now, because a lot of the people watching our videos are still young and early in their entrepreneurial careers, to the point where your beliefs about how to make money are not formed yet. And I really want it to form around this belief, which is not to say everything we're saying is the truth and say like we're the gurus, but I'm just saying from all the studying that we've done from like all the successful people, this is how it works.
It's focusing on having the best product/service.
It's not about just selling bullshit.
Now, last thing I want to say, because what I think this make money online mentality stems from, the core of it is a lack of patience. I think this is really funny. People are trying to make money for next month and not considering the effects it has a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now. What I think is so funny is that people live as if the future's not going to come.
That's a funny one.
2 years from now,
That's a funny one.
2023 will come, and it will be exactly the way 2019 is.
It will.
You're
fuck
gonna be
you up.
here. You're gonna like. It's gonna be real.
Yeah.
And the actions you're taking now are going to affect that time. It's just not right now. And this is the issue that like so many people have. They're just making decisions for the right now, and then fuck 2023, fuck 2030, fuck the future. Let's just do things to have the result now.
The only way 2045 doesn't come around is if you die along the way. That's the only way, and you should never be planning for your own death.
Yeah. You know, this quote that some people say is like, oh, I don't know, I might get hit by a truck tomorrow. Well, I don't know, I should do this now. Because you don't know how long you're going to live. So I think it's a very stupid mentality to have.
It's
a
horrible.
very bad way of living.
It's a horrible way of
Where you're
living.
just continuously going to make decisions for now.
And expecting your death to happen by getting hit by a truck. But that's basically what it is. What we want to say to wrap it up is, if you're in the publishing space and you're publishing books, apply the online business mentality and approach, as opposed to the make money online, trying to make money now approach. We used to do it that way. We've now come back from the other side and telling you this is not the most effective way in the long run.
Mm-hmm.
Like we said, 2024 will come around. You'll wish you had done it this way.
Mm-hmm.
Because this way, it all died. All your income died. And now you're having to start over from scratch or chasing your tail the whole time to maintain it.
Yeah.
While this way, you're getting like pretty damn wealthy and affluent.
Yeah.
Okay? So that is the end of this video. Comment down below what you thought of it. I would love to hear your feedback.
Very interesting topic to discuss here.
Do you agree? Do you not disagree? If you... Oh, wait. Dude. Magic emoji. We haven't done that shit in forever. I mean, I feel you why you make that body language.
Yeah.
But let's do... Is there a pear emoji? Apple emoji. Drop an apple emoji if you watch this video to the end, okay? And then put a comment of your opinion about what we're saying. Again, we're not trying to be your goddamn stupid guru. We're just sharing what we're learning along the way. And you damn better know that this is the type of stuff we're applying to ourselves. And we're just sharing it with you because we feel like it can help, because it can.
Yeah.
So yeah, like the video, comment that thing, and we'll see you in next week's video next Monday, because new video every Monday is the new thing.
See ya.
Bye.
Guys, quickly before we end this video, there's one thing I want to say. Ooh, gotta move this floopy doopy over. One thing we want to say about the whole make money online versus online business mentality is that there is a time and place for everything. There is a time and place to try to make money right now. We're not saying never do that. You do have to do that in the beginning. When you have nothing, when like you're kind of broke and you need money and you need to sustain yourself online from your business, at least what you're calling a business, it's really just make money online tactics. You need to focus on that so you can make money next month to feed yourself and the next month. So you have to make these short-term decisions. And what we're saying is, yes, in the beginning, you need to do that. That's how you get like some income going. But what we're saying is you need to make the transition. That's the big thing. You need to transition from make money online tactics to building a real online business that actually like makes a lot of money for years and years and years without just running around in circles trying to like chase dying income, because that's what it becomes, dying income. So that's the last thing I want to say. I don't want anyone thinking that from the beginning you have to make an online business focused on making money next year. Like, how can I focus on making money next year when I need money right now? So that's not what we're saying, okay? What's important is making the transition. Some people just never make the transition. They're literally doing make money online tactics for 10, 15, 20 years and never actually build anything that makes a difference in the world, okay? So that's the last thing I want to end this video with. Now drop that damn Apple emoji.